How to convert Lazada paylater to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada paylater to Gcash. First, go to the web browser and search for Lazada in the search bar. Then click on the first website as shown here. After that, click on the search bar given on the screen. Here, type the words such as convert Lazada paylater to Gcash. Now it will show you the vouchers that you can buy. Now, you can select any voucher to buy by clicking on it. Following that, hit the Buy Now button and log in to buy the voucher. You can also click on the provided pictures to read the instructions. In this way, you can easily convert Lazada paylater to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.